What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be trading this NQ setup that I see right here. I was really long biased before, but now after some reconsideration, I am liking these sales. So I'm just getting my risk to reward set up here. Sorry. I like what I see. I really wanted longs, but if we look at the daily is showing us that it is pretty much reversing, even though we did get a huge pump up there yesterday, but we got this nice candle right here. Sort of lets me know that price wants to continue down. So let's go. All right, let's go. Let's hop in this.
Order submitted.
All right, got my pre-order in. We are tapped in. Just gonna adjust this. All right, cool. All right, so what we got here? So we're going sales, obviously. And this is a bit more risky. It is a few minutes until the open, but I am liking these sales a lot. So I'm hoping for a good push at the open. Hopefully it goes and tries to take out this sell side liquidity here. Because if you look, price already took out pretty much buy side liquidity right there, right? We took this high, we took this high, we took this high. Price came back down below 50 and below the VWAP, and we are aiming. If you notice, this wasn't taken. That sell side liquidity wasn't taken out. So I'm really liking that, even though price is pushing up right now. But it's all good. We're going to hold on to it and just let it play out. If this does get to our 2-to-1, then we're going to move to break even and go from there. Try to hit the home run today. We haven't had a 5-to-1 in a while. It's due. It's overdue, actually. So I'm going to send this out to the group, part of the inner circle. If you're not in it, what are you waiting for? So let's see how this plays out. Whoa, did that tap our line right there? Let me zoom in. Look at that. Look at that stop. It tapped, but it didn't fill. So we're actually still in, which is a good sign. I like that wick right there. Hopefully it turns into a shooting star. Looks like they did not want to take this buy side liquidity, hopefully. Either way, I'm going to hold the position. I'm pretty confident in the setup. So let me just do something else. right, we're back again, close to our first TP. Hopefully, it takes us out this time instead of just playing with us. Come on, you right there. Come on. Just tap it. Hopefully, some people took this trade in the group that I called out.
Target failed.
There we go. 2-to-1 hit, 220 ticks. That's what's up. That's what's up. Especially after almost getting stopped out, right? So now we're gonna move this down to break even. Just a risk-free trade now. It's already up 1,200. You could close this if you want. That's why I tell people inside the group all the time, just take your profit if you want. Don't try to be greedy, but it is a risk-free trade, so it's pretty much just free money to possibly hit this home run, which is the 5-to-1. It usually hits it probably once every umpteen trades, so it's due. It's overdue right now. So hopefully we can get that home run today on this runner. If not, it's all good. We already secured 220 ticks, which is a great day. Post that out in the group. 1-to-1 hit, 2-to-1 hit. Group 1-to-1, 2-to-1. Yep. I hope nobody got stopped out when it pulled all the way up, because that was really, really close. I want to even say that it actually tapped us. We just didn't get filled. Sometimes that happens. So if there's not enough orders out there to coincide with your trade, sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. But also that can happen with the target, right? So it may do that with your target. It may actually tap your target, but there's not enough orders out there to actually fill it. So it could tap it and reverse, and then you'll just be sitting there with the hell face, right? Anyway, I'm gonna let this run out. I might move my stop up because it is some great profits, but I'm gonna see if it tries to get a little bit more. Let me edit this real quick before I do that. So let's edit this. Add. All right. Now we can see our 3-to-1 and our 4-to-1. Let's see how far we can get on this today. Oh, did that just freeze a little bit? Okay, there we go. All right, let's just let this run out. All right, so we are now actually past 4-to-1. I'm taking my stop and I'm going to move it to 3-to-1. So I'm going to secure an additional 330 ticks. Actually, I'm going to move above this big bearish candle right here just to secure a few more. So if I look, yeah, I could live with that. Secure 1,700 and just let it run out. It's real close to the 5-to-1. Hopefully we get this home run today. That'd be amazing for the group, especially all the people who hopefully caught the trade. So let's see. If not, if we get tapped out, then I'm okay. The thing is, it made this big bearish move right here, which could be a exhaustion. Today is FOMC as well, so I'm surprised that we got this much good volume. That just lets me know that maybe FOMC, when the news comes out, maybe they want to take it even further down. So this is real good. So let's see if we get this 5-to-1.
ScalpGawd.
All right, so it looks like we got taken out, but it is actually a great thing that I did secure those funds, and I sent it out in the group as well to secure your funds at this point. You can notice what price did here. It started chopping around here, right? We got all this volume down, then all of a sudden they got exhausted. So they started chopping, and then it made market structure change right here. So that's a shift in the momentum. So I wouldn't be surprised if this comes all the way back, maybe up to VWAP at least, and maybe possibly take out some more buy side liquidity before coming back down. But regardless, we did catch a banger today. That's probably what, over 500-600 ticks. I don't even know, but it's a lot of money. So we sent it out in the group. Hopefully everybody caught the trade. If not, there's going to be plenty more trades. And if you want to trade with us, there's going to be a link down in the bio, in the description. Sorry. Um, but yeah, this was a great trade. Going to journal, document, review, put it in the books, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you are looking for a journal, look no further. TMT is the journal for you. So it's a complete trading journal designed for you. They actually have some really cool features. They could track your results. They have a great dashboard overview. The best thing is it's actually really, really, really affordable with all the great features of the other journals that are out there, but very competitive prices. $29 a month, it's not bad at all. Or they have a one-time fee of $2.99, which a lot of journals do not have this. The broker support, they are adding new brokers all the time, and you can see here what is supported, and they actually have some auto sync features to do all the work for you, so you don't have to write it down, use Excel sheet or a piece of paper and a pen or whatever have you. After you get in, you could just after you sign up, you just log in, and once you're in, it's going to bring you to your account on the back end, right? So this is going to be where all your trades are. So if we hit this add trade button, you can see you have three options. You can manually do it, upload an Excel sheet, or broker import with all these brokers right here. And so let's do one. For example, you can upload this one. We'll go to desktop, and this is mine. So here we go. This is the one for the trade that we took today, actually. Yeah, this is the short trade that we took. All right, so now we're in there, and boom. So this is 1 day profits for today, right? 100% win rate. We can go back to that trade, and we could do things like add notes or whatever here. A plus setup. You could upload screenshots of that trade. I don't have one right now, but I will add one later, and it'll give us a nice pretty picture right here. And you can see here, this is the trade that we took today, the one we just uploaded. And if you go deeper into it, the overview, it'll tell you some cool things like so you don't have to do it. Calculates everything for you: long, shorts, intraday, multi-day, whatever have you. And there's detailed versions which digs even deeper to times, instrument that you trade, days of the week, things like that. You can go into the calendar and see a bird's eye view and see all the trades that you took for the month. You can click on this and see, any comments. And I spelled setup wrong, but yeah, that's all good. So yeah, tmt.group is the journal that I recommend, and you could check it out.